What's on, guys? Fun of school here. You know that's in the background. Using my front-facing camera on my phone. It's Tito coming out tonight about Logan and Tito. Watch Super Mario Logan. That's Logan. Watch Tito's videos and Chili's videos. So, and that's totally copyright. And so, there you are the unboxing. Of these cars. Five cars. Got it? Okay. Okay. First one is Hot Trucks. Hot Trucks. So right there. Hot Trucks. It feels not that heavy, feels light. It's pretty cool. Listen to this. That's the first one. The next one, HW Flames. Kind of heavy. It's pretty nice. Look at that design. Pretty cool. Next one. Then and now. Then and now. See if I can see. It's opening. Design on the part of the hood. Look at that design on the hood. Pretty nice. The next one, it's then and now, same thing as this is the then and now on this car. It's same thing as this car. Let's unbox it. I kind of feel really nice. That red is really nice. It feels so great. And last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4. The HW Art cars. Turn on some lighting over here. The last one. Listen to those wheels. Listen to those wheels. Very nice, feels so good. Design on the sides. Design on the hood, like the roof and the hood and the windows and stuff. Oh. Okay, I'll show you the finished progress of these cars. Here's all the cars. Okay. and goodbye.